Key elements of a cleaning procedure. Presented by Learn GMP Incorporated in collaboration with Technical Training and Consultation Service LLC. Introduction. Defining cleaning procedures in cleaning validation is a critical component of ensuring consistent, reproducible, and GMP-compliant cleaning practices. A well-defined cleaning procedure forms the foundation of your validation protocol and must reflect actual operations in the facility. Type of cleaning and frequency. Type: manual cleaning, performed by operators using wipes, brushes, etc. Automated cleaning includes CIP, clean in place, or COP, clean out of place systems. Campaign cleaning, after multiple batches of the same product. Frequency, after each batch, after product changeover, after campaign, for example, 3 batches, after extended equipment hold time. Cleaning process flow, outline the full step-by-step process for each type of cleaning. Include step and description. Pre-cleaning, remove product residue, disassemble parts if required. Detergent wash, type of detergent, concentration, method, for examples, spray, immersion, scrubbing. Rinsing, water type, for examples, potable, purified, WFI. Temperature, rinse volume. Drying, air drying, wipe drying, or heated drying. Reassembly, procedure for reassembling cleaned parts. Inspection, visual inspection and documentation. Parameters to be controlled. Define critical parameters to monitor. Parameter and typical range. Detergent concentration typical range is 1% volume by volume. Temperature, around 60 to 80 degrees Celsius. Contact time around 5 to 10 minutes. Rinse volume is 5 L per rinse step. Number of rinse cycles until TOC, specified limit. Equipment tools and acceptance criteria. Tools required: brushes, wipes, hoses, spray balls, containers for detergent and rinse water. PPE, goggles, gloves, aprons. Acceptance criteria referenced in procedure.
No visible residuos.
Residue level below MACO. Microbial load, defined CFU/swab. Cleaning agents. Document the cleaning agent, name and manufacturer, concentration used. Residue limit, MACO or TOC based. Rinsability, validated by recovery studies. Example: manual cleaning procedure summary, where PPE as per safety SOP. Disassemble equipment parts. Rinse with warm purified water, 60 to 70 degrees Celsius, to remove bulk residue. Apply 1% volume/volume alkaline detergent and scrub all surfaces. Rinse thoroughly with purified water until clear. Visually inspect all parts. Dry using compressed filtered air. Record cleaning details in equipment logbook. Thanks for watching our channel. Feel free to reach us at contact@learngmp.com for any training and consultation requirements.